Do you lead a technology team? Have you been asked to produce more features in less time? Is part of the focus getting more functionality out to your users at the same cost levels? Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO. Today I'm going to share some insights on how to do exactly that. The concept is called CICD, or Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. There's basically 3 steps of this model. Continuous integration means that multiple developers can work in an environment at the same time. Continuous delivery means that when a piece of functionality has been coded, it automatically goes into a registry and gets tested immediately without any extra intervention. Continuous deployment means that releases, once they pass a testing threshold that's been predefined, that piece of functionality automatically goes into production. And the concept of building a CI/CD pipeline is to automate the software delivery process on the application side to get functionality out quicker, more effectively at lower cost. So let's walk through some different concepts. First, the benefits. There's a lot of benefits for automating your pipeline. The most obvious is automation. By automating and streamlining your pipeline, you're going to save not only costs, but resources that can be freed up to do higher value work. Second is the idea of continuous testing. Instead of having to engage testing and start that process, much of the testing in a CI/CD environment is automated. It happens automatically without human intervention. And third, it's important to make sure that those deployments are going out as fast as possible, that there isn't an extra approval or some type of dependency or a hindrance that's preventing functionality from reaching end users once it's been validated to be working effectively. And this brings us to kind of some of the other concepts around CI/CD pipelines. The idea around integration is to make sure that you're able to release functionality and have developers working on the same code base at the same time. And what this means is they're continually updating it, merging different branches and consolidating their code, making sure that all that functionality works at the same time. When they're able to do that, that speeds up the testing process and ultimately speeds up the deployment process. With the continuous delivery, we're trying to get functionality tested as quickly as possible. Why? We want to know if it's working or if it's broken. If it's broken, we're going to remediate it. If it's working, it's going to quickly move into production. And with continuous deployment, the concept is to get as much functionality live as possible once working. So while delivery moves it into repository, continuous deployment moves it into a production region, a region that's available to users to consume. That might not be your final destination. It might be a staging location or an interim environment, but it's trying to get that functionality out as quickly as possible. So as you start to think about how to leverage CI/CD pipelines in your environment, remember, don't get bogged down in the details. The entire purpose of automating your development pipeline is to get functionality out to your end users faster, more efficiently, at lower cost. Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO. Have a great day.